Hello class. I wanted to do a little video about basic word formatting. I know some students have a little trouble navigating Word and some of its formatting issues, so I thought we'd go through these. First things first, when you start a new document, you need to label it to save it as a name. So when you save it, here's what I want you to do. I want you to use your last name, your first name, and then the document name. So let's say we do this. We do Crampton, that's my last name, Vincent, and then our first assignment is how I write. It might be a different one, but whichever assignment you're doing, put that last, and then you can save that to wherever you need to save it to. Alright, so there you see it at the top. This way I can easily search for a paper. If I save your paper to my desktop or into my documents and I need to search for it, I just search by your name. Okay, next, when you are writing your assignment, everything has to be double spaced. So let's say I have some good information here, but notice it's all single spaced. What you can do is if you copy the entire thing, or rather highlight the entire thing, then go to your toolbox right up here. Toolbox, alignment and spacing, click on that and you'll notice right here, double space. Now if you hit that first before you type anything, as you type it will double space. So that could save you a little trouble. Just make sure you do that right at the beginning. And once you do that, you get rid of it. Another issue, you'll notice you have some paragraphs here. Well, your paragraphs need to be indented. So if you look on the top left of your keyboard, you'll see tab. Hit the tab and that automatically indents your paragraphs. Okay, all paragraphs should be indented. Another thing is font size. Oops, sorry about that. Font size, so you'll notice I highlighted everything here. Please put in 12-point font. I need to be able to read this, and the smaller fonts are harder to read, and I'm not as young as I used to be, and my eyes aren't as good as they used to be, so please do that. Also, keep the font in a standard type, like Times. Avoid getting your really weird let's try an Apple Warren. You know, it doesn't impress me. All it does is make it harder to read. So if you want to keep it easy, to just Times or Times New. Sorry about that. Times. Look at that. Nice and easy. Another issue I find some students are doing is messing with their margins. Okay, there's a standard that comes with Word and it's about 1 inch on each side. Just leave your margins alone. Don't even mess with them, because all it's going to do is make your paper look very strange. All your papers should have a title, so it's always good to add one, usually something creative. Don't just put How I Write, which is the name of the assignment. How about something that's short but grabs attention? Also center that. That's the center button right there. I notice some students will center their whole essay. Do not do this. Your essay should be left justified, but your title should be in the middle. Another thing you can do is insert page numbers. So go up to insert. Well, it's not working. Page numbers. You want to do it at the top on the right hand side, and boom, you got your numbers right there. Hopefully this helped you with some of the bigger issues.